Hey guys, this is RLC321 back with a video. Very short video this time. It's excuse me. This video is just advertising that today at 4 o'clock I'm going to be doing a live stream of the build of the Master Grade Sazabi Gundam model kit. Okay? I'm not doing a scheduled event because last time I done a scheduled event it screwed up, didn't work, and so I just had to go do live again straight away, and it was a whole big palaver. Yes, so we're not doing that again. So I'm posting this video now so you guys know that I'm going to be doing a live stream. I said it's at 4 PM. Okay, probably go on for 2 to 3 hours. We are going to be building the Master Grade Sazabi Gundam model kit. Okay, what I plan for this series is the Sazabi I'm going to just be doing live. I'm not going to be doing bits and pieces in between. I'm just hopefully every week I'm going to have a live video of doing the Master Grade Sazabi. Yes. I'm going to be starting the live event about 3:30, but that's just to make sure everything's working fine and things like that. So if you wanted to come on early and have a little chat, ask a few questions, you're more than welcome to. But at 4 o'clock is when it basically starts fully. So hopefully I will see as many of you guys there as possible, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. Yeah, a little bit of fun. Don't know how that's going to work. But anyway, hopefully see you guys then. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.